Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're actually not going to be doing a modification. We are going to be doing a repair. This is going to get put on the Evo. This is a CV axle seal. I am in the process of finishing up my clutch install, and when I went to go put my axle, which is that thing, back into the car, I put the fluid inside the transmission and it slowly started leaking, and I was like, what's going on? So I removed it, and it turns out, as you can see, right around that edge, it's a little bit warped, and then at the very bottom, it has a crack. It looks like there's some kind of lip behind here that I can pry on. Oh, there you go. And it slips right out. So there is some bad news to this. They're not the same. That means that I have to wait for an OEM Mitsubishi one, which I have already ordered. This is from Napa. This is what they claim is gonna be good for on the car. So guys, don't get your CV axle seal from Napa. Order it from Mitsubishi parts website so that you can get the OEM piece. Okay, here's the part number for anyone that's wondering. It's literally labeled as oil seal T. I'm guessing the T is for T case or transfer case. But yeah, that's OEM for the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. I also got this thing from Harbor Freight. It's pretty cheap, and it pretty much is a tool that you use so that you don't damage these seals, because there is metal in here, and it's, you just don't want to damage it as you're putting it in. Okay, so I've applied a very light coat of grease around that edge. Nothing super extreme, just enough to where it kind of bounces right in to place. I needed to remove this thing. I don't know what it's called, but it lives right in there. So now there's no shaft coming out. So now I can use this thing, this tool, to kind of nudge it into place. So this is the first one that I attempted, and everything, about 80% of it was going in, and that last little bit caught the lip. So when I hammered it, it totally bent that metal piece. So let me just kind of place it in here, and then I'll use this. The CV axle is sealed. It took a lot of finesse. It's flush. Like, there's no little ends or edges that are poking out. So hopefully it stays that way. But yeah, pretty annoying of a repair. Definitely, wouldn't want to do it again ever. But we got it done. That's it for this video. Hopefully this helps anyone try to tackle this little repair. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.